Welcome back, y'all. Got another little video for you. I'm replacing the old, crusty, broken armrest in the truck, and I have a replacement. All right, so we're gonna get this installed. It's a slightly different color. It's the closest thing I could get on Amazon. So yeah, I don't know what tools I need. Nothing. Just gonna roll with it. I'll meet you out in the truck. Here's a look at that old one. So the vinyl itself is fine, but this is cracked here, cracked there. So if I try and put my arm on it, it just cracks like that. It's hard to open. So yeah, it definitely needs replaced. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to show you the side by side of the two. So this one you can see is a little darker than this one. And this is actually probably just because it's old, worn out, and probably just really dirty. So, going to get these changed out. I actually don't know if there's any tools required, but I'll definitely let y'all know what it needs. Oh, it's not even connected over here. Oh my god. This is, yeah, this whole, like, oh, yeah. Whole thing is just broke off. I think the only tool that I actually need is, like, some pliers and then maybe WD-40. Or, my bad, I don't use WD-40. I have PB Blaster. So just like spray this just to get it loose and then pull it out. Might have to move that seat. Alright, I'll be right back with that stuff. So we got that out. This was another broken piece. And it just lifts up. So yeah, it was broken in right there and right there. So, and there was like no foam padding up here. So it can just rattle all day long. This one has nice thick foam. So it'll close nice and not rattle. And it also won't creak because it's not broken the back. So I'm going to set y'all back up and then try and show how we put that back in there. Comes with all new parts, new springs, that rod, so it's nice, shiny, new. And then this little bracket piece. Oh, this pops open. Literally, it's just easy to pull on. All right, so there's these cutouts on the side here, on both sides. And then there's the side with 3, and then the side with 2. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see, but there's clips down in here on either side that will hold on to the edges. And then there's also this tab that this clip up here is going to hold on to. So we sit it down in here like this so that like the legs are vertical, as you can see, and it's being held in by those pieces. Those are the old ones. The springs just go through the slots here and then we'll sit inside. And there's this one with the leg pointing down. So you'll have to rotate it, get it past both, and then spin it. And then mirror to the other side. I guess it's really the exact same, but however you want to see it. And then, since these are offset like that, there's two corresponding holes I'm going to get you a close-up of. So they're back here. There's one right close here, and then one just offset of the middle. Alright, once you're in this position and have the springs set up how they should be, and the retaining clip, I guess you could call it, also set up in there, what we'll do is I'm going to put the springs in the holes that we saw, get everything lined up, and the rod actually push through. Then once that's done, we're going to be able to press this all down so that it holds everything together and it holds the rod inside instead of letting it vibrate out. So I'm just trying to get this pushed all the way, and it's a very tight fit, as you can see. So you should probably use a hammer and not pliers. Alright, let's see if that allows us to snap this on. Well, bam! So it's installed. Put my arm here. It's not gonna creak.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
I may have just locked my pliers in there. Oh. Maybe it just needs a little bit of this. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what it needed. It's actually moving now. Before, it was like moving like that much, no matter how much I pressed it. Now it fully closes and disengages. Just needed a little PV blaster, that's all. Locks. Oh, yeah, look at that. The next thing I'll do is figure out why this is so loose. That's for future me. So I appreciate you coming along, liking the video, subscribing to the channel, coming back, sharing this. Yeah, leave a comment. What's your favorite anime? My shirt is Death Note, but I would have to say my favorite anime is Mob Psycho. Actually was just jamming out to the theme song earlier. So let me know what your favorite anime is down in the comments. But I love you. I'll catch you in the next one.